Hey guys, and welcome back to my channel. In today's video is just kind of an update about what we've been doing to our house. But before I start, I want to tell you a little bit about it. We actually bought this house I think it's going on about 4 years. We actually bought it as a foreclosure. We've been doing most of the work by ourselves. We've had a couple of friends that's helped out here and there, but for the most part we've done it ourselves. And we both work full-time, so that makes it extremely hard. I'm sure some of you have been there, you know what I'm talking about, and if you don't, well, let me tell you, there's a lot of work to it. But it's been worth it. There's been times that I've sat down and I've cried my eyes out because I just couldn't see the end of it, but, it looks like things are wrapping up, and it's just coming together, and it's really awesome. I'm super excited about this bathroom because we're going to do a standalone tub in here, and it's going to be pretty much all mine, and I'm super excited because when everybody's going to be looking for me saying, "Where's Mama?" you know where I'm going to be. This is actually the next day. I just kind of wanted to get up and relax a little bit and just enjoy the peace and quiet. I did have a little bit of laundry to do, and I had fixed some chicken the night before that I wanted to make some chicken tacos with. I wanted to meal prep those, as in I wanted to fix them and then I wanted to put them in the freezer. That way when we wanted a quick taco or something, all we had to do was just zap that thing in the microwave and have a meal in just a matter of seconds. So that makes it really easy. I also like to cook up hamburger meat and just have that ready in the freezer. That way when I want to fix spaghetti, tacos, just anything like that, it is ready. I don't have to worry about a greasy mess after I'm done. No nasty cleanup. It's just there and it's just fast. I like that. Especially when I have to work, it makes it really easy. For those of you that are interested in a really fast hairstyle, just a really quick updo, I like the messy bun type style, so I'm going to show you right fast how to do that. The best thing about messy buns is they don't have to be perfect. You can tuck and just pull and just do whatever, you know, till you get it the way you want it and the way it works for you, and there you go. Those of you not from Georgia, you are missing out. The leaves are gorgeous this time of year. It's like overnight, all the colors are just popping. It's just really something to see. So maybe one day, if you're not from Georgia, maybe you can come and see it, but it's really neat. For those of you who like the farmhouse stuff, if you have not been to Big Lots in a while, you need to go because right now they have some of the cutest stuff. I mean, they have a ton of it. I want you to look at these ornaments, how gorgeous they are. I love the white colors, the browns. They're just really gorgeous. You guys, I want you to look how cute this sign is. It is so farmhouse style and I love it. It's one of my favorite signs that I've seen. All this gorgeous Christmas stuff makes me want to go home and put up my Christmas tree, but I know I have to wait. We are planning on painting my daughter's bedroom this week, so hopefully I can get that done and then maybe work on getting my Christmas stuff up. I cannot wait. Christmas is my favorite time of the year. I'm like a big kid and I don't care. I love it. Now that we're back home, I want to go ahead and get these chicken tacos finished up. It's just mainly chicken, taco seasoning, and cheddar cheese or whatever kind of cheese you like. And then I just, put them on the tortilla shell and I fold them over and I just put them in a Ziploc bag and I stick them in the freezer and they are delicious. If you did, give it a thumbs up, and if you're new here, please hit that subscribe button, and I hope to see you in the next video.